Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson. I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this North Trail product, the 2021-26 BHSS. It's going to be kind of a crazy floor plan with lots of storage inside and a very thick wall construction that really helps a lot for those who want to be off the grid and have a little better insulation. So I'll show you a few things on the outside here for this model. It does have the big pass-through with the large King Kong storage, and you got the king bed inside, so look how much storage there is on that. Isn't that cool? You also have nice heavy compartment doors that are well made, put together good. You've also got some power jacks on this particular model here for putting the jacks front and rear down. You've also got a pretty good sized patio awning with speakers outside, and we'll talk about that grill here in a minute. Let's go inside and I'll start out showing you some of that. What's a big deal here is that it has a super slide out to it. It includes the sitting area and dining area, and then your privatized main bed up there with the king bed. But inside this area here, you've got decent counter space. You got the nice sealed counters. I like the new ovens and glass tops here, make it really nice for finishes. Your microwave's got a nice little glass kind of finish to it, and you've got your storage overhead. You've got nice big windows that add a lot of light. You got thick walls we talked about earlier, a big TV center and entertainment center. A big TV and entertainment center you have with the fireplace as well too, that you can see all from this nice big open concept main living area. You also have a nice pantry space, or to decide to make closet is fine if you want to. And then you've got your double beds there with a little doorway that gives access to some more storage down below the bunk. And then on the outside, I'll show you that with the with the outside kitchen. You do have a nice tub shower here, good height, ceiling height, and room around the toilet, and you've got a nice corner kind of nook there for your sink and for the bathroom sink that way. Got good ceiling height in this, and makes it nice for those taller folks out there you might have. You also again have that king bed here that separates by these pocket doors instead of curtains, which I like. Then you got storage you have over on these both sides, and then you got some closet space on both sides with some nightstand areas there with USB and phone hookups, okay? Also have an extra vent in the main bedroom too for extra ventilation. So again, a bunkhouse model gives you an area for the kids and for friends to stay in. You also have a little bit of a sleepability for a small person in the couch and also a taller person in the booth. Then I'll go outside and show you that kitchen that we have here. So that outside kitchen, you got the sink, hot and cold water here, and your 2-burner and your refrigerator. So you have an area that you can kind of entertain outside. And then you got outside shower. It's all pre-wired for a camera, your spare tire. And then also, as we go around, you'll have a black tank flush there, your power cord, which is about 25 feet long. The other side of that, again, real nice heavy compartment doors with metal latches instead of plastic, which I like real well. Real thick doors, side walls that are 2-inch thick, really nice, unique feature to it. You also have a nice cap up front, some LED accents that they're doing nowadays more and more on the newer travel trailers, as well as that strip that runs along the awning on the patio side there. If you have any questions, of course, again, my name is Tom.Peterson, been here for over 30 years at Guaranty. Love to help you out. You have questions at the end of the video, call that number. You can ask for myself or any number of the salespeople that work here. We'll help get you answers to your questions, okay? And remember, in Junction City at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.